Hello student, myself Kuldeep Srivastava. Today I am going to start a new chapter, that is coordinate geometry. Okay, and in this chapter we will discuss definition of coordinate geometry, meaning of coordinate geometry, coordinate plane. It means what is coordinate plane, what is x axis, what is y axis, and how can we put any points in x axis and y axis, okay, and how many quadrants. Okay, so that's first of all we will see definition of coordinate geometry. Definition of coordinate geometry means coordinate geometry is a branch of geometry, okay, and geometry is what? Geometry is a branch of mathematics, and coordinate geometry is a branch of geometry where the position of a point is defined using coordinate. Okay, it means suppose this one is point, this one is point A, the name of that point is A, but what is the exact position of that point? Okay, it means from what is the exact position of point A from x axis and y axis. Okay, this is the definition of coordinate geometry. Okay, and next one, coordinate plane. What is coordinate plane? Coordinate plane means coordinate plane is two-dimensional. 2D means two-dimensional plane which is formed by the intersection of two perpendicular lines. Lines known as x axis and y axis. Okay, suppose it is a two-dimensional figure which is formed by the intersection of two perpendicular lines known as x axis and y axis. Okay, now we draw a two-dimensional plane and two perpendicular lines, okay, which intersect at a fixed point. Okay, now first of all we will draw two perpendicular lines. First one, we draw horizontal line, and next one perpendicular line. Okay, then horizontal line represent x axis, okay, and vertical line represent y axis. Okay, and the intersecting point, and this point is O. O means what? Origin, and the distance from x axis and y axis is 0. It means coordinate of origin is what? Coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Okay, and next one, okay student, now two perpendicular lines are intersect at point O, and coordinate of this point, and how can we find the coordinate exact position of origin? Exact position of origin, it means distance from x axis and distance from y axis, and the distance from x axis, when we are going to find coordinate of origin, then first of all we will find the distance from x axis and from y axis, and the distance from x axis is 0 because both perpendicular lines are intersect, then, and the distance from y axis 0. Okay, it means the coordinate of origin is 0 and 0. Okay, and when here in this graph we will we have four quadrant. When two perpendicular lines, it means one horizontal line and one vertical line, one horizontal line and one vertical line are perpendicular intersect at point O, then that coordinate plane means like Cartesian plane is divided into 4 parts. 4 parts, it means 4 quadrants. This one is first quadrant, this one is second quadrant, and this part is third quadrant, and this one is fourth quadrant. Okay, and when we are going to find exact position of points lies in first quadrant, then as you know all, from origin, when we are going right side from origin, then this one is all numbers is positive, and when we go upward, then all plus, then the sign of coordinate is plus plus. Okay, it means all positive coordinates are lying in first quadrant, and in second quadrant and left side x-axis is negative, therefore minus plus, and in third minus and minus, and in fourth quadrant first of all we will write x-axis, the sign of x-axis, and next we write the sign of y-axis. Therefore the sign of fourth quadrant is plus and minus. Okay class, thank you class. कितने मिनट